Hi, and welcome to Anne's Family Recipe. Today, we're combining two of my favorite food categories, dessert and dip. We're making a chocolate chip cream cheese dip. My cousin Barb is the queen of making dips. We have a family reunion at her house every summer, and I always look forward to see what new and exciting dip she's gonna make for us. So this one I've had at her house for years, and it's awesome because it's like dessert and a dip all in one. To start this super simple but delectable dip, we're gonna mix 1 8-ounce brick of cream cheese and half a cup or 1 stick of softened unsalted butter, both of which were brought to room temperature in this bowl. So here we go. I beat the butter and cream cheese together until they're light and fluffy, and to this we're gonna sweeten it up. So I'm adding 3/4 of a cup of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar, and just a splash of vanilla, about a teaspoon. And then we'll mix that all together. The last ingredient I'm adding is 1 heaping cup of mini semi-sweet chocolate chips. So we'll sprinkle those in, and then I'm just going to use a spatula to stir them in. My dip's all ready to go. You can serve it with any kind of graham cracker that you like. Today I have original honey grahams and chocolate graham crackers. This would also be really fun in a kid's lunch as a little treat. You could put a couple tablespoons in a container and then send some Teddy Grahams, and they have homemade Dunkaroos. I'm gonna bring in a special taste tester to try this dessert today. Ben, do you wanna come over and try it?
Hi.
Come on over. Hello. Hi, honey. He's a little sick, don't mind the red nose. Do you want chocolate or regular graham cracker?
Good.
Ooh, classic. Going for the original. Very good. You want to take a dip? Oh, with the graham cracker or just with your finger? Here, can I help you dip? Let's do this. Ready? Take a little dip. You want to try it? Is that good? Yeah, do you like it? You want to take a bite? Mmm. Do you like it? Does it taste good? Good. Okay, I think it's a hit. Thank you for joining me in my kitchen this week for 4 awesomely delicious dips that I hope you try making the next time you have people over for the big game. Let me know in the comments below if you try any of them, and I'll see you next time on Anne's Family Recipe. For the full recipe, check the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for joining me in my kitchen.